Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, and Simi Richard here. Yes, we are still proceeding with the reactions of alkanes, and this question comes. It says, alkanes undergo substitution reaction with halogens. The equations below are examples. Okay, these are the examples A and B. And the question says, complete the equations by writing the products and UPAC name of the organic product. Okay, so let us look at the first one. Okay, if you want to understand clearly what happens here, we are not going to use condensed structure of this one. Let us write its structure formula. What does the structure formula is for that compound? You have one carbon linked to another carbon because there are two. Then around it, you have hydrogen. This is the structure formula which represents that molecule. What comes next is going to be our chlorine. Remember, chlorine gas is the consists of diatomic molecules. So what happens here is that this hydrogen, I'm using this one, but it can be any other. Its position is taken up by this chlorine atom, and this hydrogen takes its place. So there's some kind of exchange. And when that happens, what you get is going to be, because when this chlorine atom comes there, we are going to have that molecule here with chlorine. Don't forget that this is hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. And another inorganic product. Remember, hydrogen came here, so it's going to be HCl. So if you take this one back to our condensate structure, we are going to have this. We are going to have CH3 plus Cl2. This one giving you CH3 CH2 Cl plus what? Plus HCl. Yeah, that is it for A. So then comes B. And we are going to use the same approach to have the structure formulas first. So what is the structure formula of CH4, which is methane? It has a carbon atom surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms like this. And what do we have here? We have the bromine gas made up of bromine atoms linked together to form molecules. It's made up of diatomic molecules. Okay, then we come to the products. What happens here? What happens is that this H, its place is taken up by that bromine atom. and this one takes up its place. So there's exchange of atoms there. And what we get after that is this. We are going to have a C with its hydrogen like that. But we have to remember that this position has been taken up by the bromine atom. And another product is going to be H linked to bromine atom. So when you come to write the condensed structure, what are we going to have? We are going to have CH4 for that methane plus bromine gas, giving you CH3Br plus HBr. Okay. Then what is the name of the organic product? This one is bromomethane. So then comes this question. It says, name the conditions for the reactions above. Okay, what are the conditions which are required for these reactions to proceed? Substitution of alkanes with a halogen. What are the conditions? The condition is UV light. But at times, we accept heat because heat is a source of UV light. So when these reactions are proceeding, we are going to have UV light here, or heat. So there we are. Yeah, so comes this question. It says, give a reason why alkanes undergo substitution instead of addition. Okay, what is the reason for that? The reason is that alkanes are saturated. Saturated means that all the possible bonds have been occupied. So what's the reason? Alkanes are saturated. We can also accept have no multiple bonds. Between carbon atoms. And with that, we'd like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share. We are simply the best. See you next time. Bye-bye.